Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. So today we are going to discuss about IgG immunoglobulin. It will be a short video about IgG and we will discuss short notes of IgG. So what is G? G is the gamma heavy chain present in this immunoglobulin. Okay. So what is gamma heavy chain? I have already told you. There are two type of chains present in an antibody. These are gamma chains and light chains. If you have not watched that video, then you can visit our channel to watch that. Okay, so first one slide today we will start. The first one slide which is given to us is IgG. Okay, due to the presence of gamma heavy chain. Okay, second one line is it is found 80% of total antibody in serum. So what is the amount of this antibody? It will be 80% of total antibody. Okay, and the concentration of this antibody is 8 to 16 mg per ml. Okay, and it is monomeric in nature. So what is monomer? Suppose that it's an antibody, it's a monomer. And what is dimer? It's an antibody and two antibody will be bind together. This is called dimer. Okay, so what is the nature of IgG? It is monomeric in nature. Okay, next one slide is, sorry, not next one slide, next one line is molecular weight of this immunoglobulin. What is the molecular weight? It will be 1,50,000 mg per mole or Dalton. Okay, next one line, it's very important to your competitive exams. It can cross the placenta. What will be the MCQ? The MCQ will be which antibody or immunoglobulin can cross the placenta. Here the right answer of this question is IgG. It can cross the placenta and provide the fetus natural passive immunity. So here one more question can be asked, which will be which antibody provide the natural passive immunity to the fetus, or which immunoglobulin provide the fetus natural passive immunity. So what will be the right answer? It will be IgG, immunoglobulin or antibody. Okay, next one line is it is produced during secondary immune response. What is secondary immune response? Suppose that you are infected with the infection and at that time the first one antibody which will produce in your body, or the first one immunoglobulin which will produce in your body or your body, it will be IgM. So this is the primary immune response, the production of IgM, and after some time production of IgG occur, it will be the secondary response. And when it will produce? When IgM is unable to kill the antigen or pathogen. Okay, so that time IgG will produce, it will be the secondary immune response. Okay, here same line is written, IgM produced in primary immune response but denature after short time due to less half-life. So what is the half-life of an immunoglobulin? It's a half amount of immunoglobulin which was previously produced in our body. Suppose that an immunoglobulin produced in our body during an infection is, the amount of immunoglobulin is 25 mg per dl, and after 12 days it will be decreased up to 12.5 mg per deciliter. Okay, so what will the half-life? 12.5 days. Okay, and what is the half-life of IgG antibody? It will be 23 days. Okay, what is the half-life of IgG antibody? It will be 23 days. Okay, next one slide. IgG is used to detect the durability of disease. How we can detect durability? Because it is producing later after the IgM immunoglobulin. So when it will produce? After the secondary response. Okay, and next one line is IgM detect the acute illness of disease. I have already told you, first one IgM will be produced and second one antibody will be IgG. Okay, next one line which is given to us is IgG antibody is equally distributed between ECF and ICF. What is ECF? ECF is extracellular fluid and ICF is intracellular fluid, and the IgG antibody is equally distributed in them. Okay, next one line is erythroblastosis fetalis. So what is erythroblastosis fetalis? When Rh negative blood group contains Rh positive blood group baby. Suppose that a mother has Rh negative blood group, and which antibody will have to the mother? Which will be anti-Rh antibodies. And when a child becomes Rh positive, then this antibody destroy the RBC of that child and the baby will be dead. This is called erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, antibody formation occur in females and causes hemolysis during delivery or death of baby. Same line is written here. And what is the treatment of this erythroblastosis fetalis? Anti-RH D antigen, okay, is given to the mother to reduce this risk. Okay, and what are the serotypes of IgG? These serotypes are IgA1, sorry, not IgA1, IgG1, IgG2, IgG3 and IgG4. So these are the serotypes of IgG. So this was all about IgG immunoglobulin, and in next one we will further discuss about IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. Okay, so thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates.